Hello, welcome back. We're on the Matic hourly chart, so I'll try and keep this short and sweet. I do have a few things to say about it. So what happened just over the last few days? We made a very low here. Then we made a higher low here, which to me was a bullish sign, and so at the time I thought, well, let's pop ourselves a pitchfork in, see if it has any kind of relevance to the price action. And at the moment it's trending within there, and it does appear to be doing something. Now, what I need to say to you all is we have broken above the 200 EMA and we need to stay above there now. It looks as though it wants to act as a support. If it doesn't, we've got these other moving averages also that are trying to be support, and if that doesn't hold as a support, our next support is going to be 2.2. 2.2, if we don't find a bounce from there, then we could easily come back down further, sinking our way perhaps back down to 2 cent again, or lower. It depends on the market, but at the moment we're just trying our hardest to hold on this support level here. Now, an important thing, well, maybe not that important, but an interesting thing to note is that these moving averages now are converging. This is only on the hourly chart, so it doesn't hold as much relevance as it would if it was on a longer time frame, but we are talking about Matic here, so we don't have longer time frames really to go by. So what we're looking at here is we look like we could be forming a golden cross on the hourly, which probably will cause some kind of price action to the up, but what we need to do now is we definitely really do need to bounce from here, this spot here, and we need to make our way back up to at least 2.4, where we buckled at this resistance level here. 2.4 needs to break and make our way to 2.5. This golden cross would then form, and would probably give us a few days, maybe to the rest of the week, of movement upwards. We'll just have to see how it goes. Right now we're at this crucial hour or two where we have to prove ourselves here. We have to break above that. Anyway, on another note, the likelihood of the US ban on Binance to the price action of Matic, I've been thinking about this, and there will be some knock-on effects. So Binance US customers will not be able to trade. They can still hold their coins, but they can't trade from September. Now, is this a bad thing? Well, it's not a good thing, is it? I mean, we want traders, we need as many traders as possible on an exchange to increase liquidity and things like that. Matic has been added to a couple of exchanges, but it's not as common as other coins to be traded with. But it is early days still, so there's still a long way for it to go. Realistically, if people are trading, then they probably will dump their coins. If people are investing, which I think Matic is a great investment, it's a good hodl coin. If people are hodling, then they probably won't. Staking will be implemented at some point soon, probably this year, from what I see of Matic coins. So if you're holding your Matic coins and you're looking to do it for staking, that's what I would do. If I was a US customer, I wouldn't look at selling these, dumping them off, just because I can't trade on Binance. So I would probably keep them and look to stake them for the future. And by the time this bull market's over, Matic should have increased quite dramatically, and if you've staked them, then you'll obviously have some interest to accumulate from your balance there. So but it's your money, it's your coins, you do as you want. I certainly wouldn't want to be an American citizen at the moment. It does sound like a bit of a shame, to be honest with you, and a little disappointing. But hopefully you'll find another exchange, or something will be pulled out of CZ's hat to allow you guys back in on Binance again. Anyway, I'm really grateful for you watching, and like I say, well, let's just see how this goes. We've got to break this. We've got to prove this support now. We've got to bounce from it, and if we do, then we should be in for a good week, everybody. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you have a nice day, and take it easy.